Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if A equals this and B equals this, then the value of alpha for which A square will be equal to B. Okay. So, you know that they have given A square equals to B. So, first try to find out A square. So, A alpha 0, I'll write A. Okay. So, A 1 0 1 equals B 1 5 0 1. Let's multiply things. So to get this element, it is A11 means first row with first column, so it is A square. Then it is 0. Then to get this element 2 1, it is second row column 1, so it is A plus 1. Then to get this element, it is A22 in second row second column, second row second column, so it will become 0 1. So B square is this. Now you need to find out A square is this 1 5 0 1. Now can I say that A square is equal to 1? I have compared these two elements. So A will be equal to what? Plus minus 1. Now from this side, A plus 1 is 5. So A will become 4. Now look at this. For the same A, we are getting two different values. Here we are getting plus minus 1, here we are getting 4. If we will get both thing to be one of the same entity, then we will have some solution for A. This means for this question, no solution. So no solution is the solution of this question. Okay, suppose here also if you will get value of A as 1, so minus 1 will be rejected. Correct? So there is no single value of A which will satisfy this condition. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.